Creating an affiliate leaderboard for competitions is a great way to motivate your affiliates and keep track of their performance. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to set one up step by step using a powerful software tool that simplifies the process. Stick around till the end, because I'll give you an exclusive offer to try the software for free. Let's get right into it. First, you'll need a way to track affiliate performance in real time. This can be done by setting up a system that records each affiliate's sales or signups and ranks them accordingly. If you're using our software, you can easily integrate tracking links for each affiliate, which will automatically capture the necessary data. Once you've integrated your affiliate tracking, the next step is to display this data on a leaderboard. You can customize the leaderboard's design to fit your branding, but at its core, it should show the affiliate's name, the number of sales or conversions they've made, and their current rank. Most affiliate software tools have built-in leaderboard features or widgets, making this part super simple. Next, make sure the leaderboard is updated in real time. You don't want your affiliates to feel like they're being left in the dark. Real-time updates keep the competition engaging and motivate affiliates to push harder. With the software we'll be using, updates happen automatically as conversions are tracked, which saves you tons of time. Now, let's talk about motivation. This leaderboard should not just be a static chart, it should create excitement. You can add extra features like a prize pool for top performers or bonus incentives. The software we'll be using allows you to set up these kinds of rewards with just a few clicks, so you can make your leaderboard more engaging and rewarding for everyone involved. Once your leaderboard is set up and live, promote it. Share the leaderboard with your affiliates regularly to keep them engaged. You can send them updates via email or integrate it with a dashboard so they can check their rank at any time. This adds an element of transparency, which helps build trust in the competition. Finally, make sure you're constantly optimizing. Review the performance of your leaderboard and adjust it if needed. Maybe some affiliates need more encouragement, or maybe your reward system could be tweaked to make it more appealing. The key is to keep things dynamic and exciting. Now, for the key takeaway, creating an affiliate leaderboard for competitions is a powerful way to drive performance and boost motivation among your affiliates. Use real-time tracking, customize your leaderboard, and make it interactive with rewards to keep your affiliates engaged. If you're using our software, you can set all of this up in minutes. Before I close off, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a limited time offer for viewers of this channel only, so don't miss out. To recap, set up affiliate tracking, create a customizable leaderboard, keep it updated in real time, and motivate your affiliates with rewards. And of course, take advantage of the free trial. Thanks for watching.